Hello everybody, back here EMD Automotive. Paul speaking here. Just finished putting this brand new fuel pump. Put the ignition on. See now, I've got the fuel pump running, the car started. What I found now is actually I've got another problem because I've got more, because the fuel pump is brand new. We got more high pressure now. Before it was like hardly turning. That's why I couldn't start the car properly. And now you look at that. Someone has tried to repair the fuel line and didn't use good quality hoses. I don't think they use a fuel hose. They use just a normal hose. And what happened is they start leaking and they split in half. Even the one at the front wasn't tight enough, so I had to retighten the front one on as well. Now I'm gonna take all that off tomorrow and actually get a new fuel filter as well. That looks dirty, that one there, and repair that side there. You started at the back and now I found that. I already fixed the actual leak at the front. I'll show you the leak at the front. I had to take that cover off, that one there, and see that one there, see that hose clamp there, that one there, that hose clamp, that was loose and the fuel just comes straight up from that. And now I've got another fuel leak at the back as well, so I'm going to fix that one there, see how it's leaking there. But the car starts anyway. Okay, I had to clean that up, but I've got to, okay, start it up. Turn it off. Because these cars here, the CIS system, alright, what happens is they rely heavily on actually fuel pressure. So if there's a hole at the back there, so the fuel pressure will drop. So I need to fix the hole at the back on the fuel line, repair that first, and then come back at the front and then start it up. But the main thing is it starts. That's the main thing. Then I can look up the manual and tune this up. It's a tuning. To mix the CO tuning in the middle there somewhere, right there. So, and then I'll replace the clutch slave, and tidy up the wiring here, probably get a new cable as well. So other than that, it's getting close. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.